We were staying in Paris to get away from your parents. You look so proud, standing there with a frown and a cigarette, posting pictures of yourself on the internet.
Hello! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa aming room. So, this is the toilet. We have 2 rooms here because we are 4. The cabinet. And, kompleto naman. So, nakakatuwa. Magluluto kami mamaya for dinner. Then, oven. Tapos, meron din kaming table. Tapos, ayan, may sarili naman. So, excited nang matulog dito. Oh my God, we are so tired. But we need to freshen up ourselves. Because we were going to Eiffel Tower later.
I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better.
Guys, welcome to Eiffel Tower! Oh my God! Oh my God, friend! Guys, welcome to Eiffel Tower! We are here now! So, lalapit tayo. Oh my God, guys! Really amazing! Stop namin is this place. Pinipigilan ko umiyak kasi umiyak ko talaga sila. So, welcome Eiffel Tower! So, welcome back here in this place. So, pumunta kami dito kagabi. So, today, pinuntahan din namin ng mga. So, welcome to Paris! Eiffel Tower!
Once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I was in your sights. You got me alone. You found me. You found me. You found me. I guess you didn't care, and I guess I liked that. And when I fell hard, you took a step back without me.
This is Eiffel Tower pag morning. Binalikan talaga namin kasi gabi kami pumunta dito kagabi. Pero actually mas maganda siya pag gabi kasi nakikita mo yung lights. Eiffel Tower siya. Ayan. Pero yun siya.
Isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. You may be crazy, don't mind me, say